Get down!
From high-speed shootouts
Dude, hey, you're gonna get shot! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
to full-throttle crashes,
Get out.
these are the most insane police chases ever caught on camera.
Charlie 4 in pursuit of the suspect vehicle. It's going to be southbound Mojave.
On July 11, 2018, Thomas Romero is shot dead at a car wash in broad daylight. The suspects flee in a black Ford Expedition, and when cops lock eyes on it, the driver punches it, and the streets turn into a racetrack.
Fire! Shots fired!
Copy. Southbound Mojave from where?
He's mid-chase, calm but tense. Then that shots fired hits, and everything flips. Now it's not just a pursuit, it's survival.
Be advised, shots fired! Shots fired!
What's the location?
He's driving like adrenaline's the only thing keeping him steady. One wrong move and it's over. But somehow he squeezes through chaos like it's instinct, not luck.
751, you copy?
Give me the air unit! Shots fired! Shots fired!
The streets are on fire. He's barely holding it together, calling for air support mid-chaos. Then it hits again. Shots fired, and everything tightens.
Occupied 2 times, HMA. Driver's got a bald head, tattoos, black shirt. Passenger's got a white shirt.
Breathless and locked in, he rattles off details. Bald heads, tattoos, black shirt, white shirt. No hesitation, just focus. Chasing 2 inmates like the clock's about to run out.
6-way confirming pursuit, and how many do you have with you? Got 1 more unit, I've been shot at.
He's breathless, hyped, running on pure instinct, barely squeezing words out as he flies down the road.
Okay. I'm going to put you over to D-Tech so we can... Watch out! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
It's not a chase anymore, it's a full-blown battlefield on wheels. And just when you think it can't get worse, shots fired. Yeah, again. The man's driving like he's in a video game. Full speed, one hand on the wheel, the other clutching a gun. Then, boom, bullets through the windshield like he's trying to stop time with lead.
Get down!
He pulls up side by side like it's a final boss fight, lets go of the wheel, and unloads bullets at point blank. The suspects finally stop and cops swarm in. Bro's out here moving like he's in GTA. Reloads mid-standoff, no cover. Just vibes and lead. The suspect's ride slams into a wall, but this cop still clicking like it's the grand finale.
Hey, the other one's up there! Hey, the other one right up!
Dude crashes into a school wall, bolts like it's recess. But you can't outrun bullets or back up. They found him bleeding on school grounds later. Game over. December 20th, 2023. A gray Jeep Cherokee halts in the middle of Jonesboro Road, and the driver opens fire on a building like it's target practice. Then he peels off like nothing happened.
50-54, come very so far. Mission to paper.
The Jeep stops, a woman hops out from the passenger side, waving like it's over and she's lost something, but nope, it takes off again. Chase back on. The Jeep's throwing wild turns like it's in a Fast and Furious sequel, but the cop's glued to him, matching every move like it's personal. Cornered in tight streets, the guy panics and bolts onto the highway, and for a second, it's nearly bumper to bumper. But then he slams the gas like he's got NOS. Just when the cop's about to close the gap, the suspect pulls a slick block move, swerves right in front to cut him off. But that little flex, yeah, it backfires hard in the next few seconds. He tries that same block move again, but this time it's a disaster. The cop clips the rear and smoke bursts out as the Jeep spins and slams sideways into a pole. Game over. To make things worse, officers find 3 kids inside the wrecked Jeep. Suddenly, the passengers' frantic gestures earlier, they make a whole lot more sense.
I got you. I got you. Stand by. Hey, somebody go back lethal. I got you. I got you.
They yank open the wrecked door. And yeah, that leg's pointing the wrong way. Chase over. Officers arrested him right there. Karma just clocked in. Surrounded front and back, it's the kind of pressure cooker moment where even breathing feels risky. The suspect's boxed in, but desperate minds don't follow road rules.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Look! Doesn't matter! Hands up!
They've got him boxed in, guns drawn, commands flying. But he rolls down the window like it's a drive-thru and starts talking. Too bad nobody's here for his rants.
Hands up! Drive away! Drive away!
Cornered and unhinged, he slams into a cruiser, then lunges forward into gunfire. The cop fires without flinching, stumbles back as the car brushes past. Full on suicidal.
Get somebody on Spence Hill on 24 now! Put your hands up! Lift your hands up!
He takes off again, but it's short-lived. Boxed in once more, sirens blaring, guns drawn, and still he won't put his hands up.
It's a cane! It's a cane! It's a cane! Stop reaching!
As he reaches into the back, officers tense up. The yelling gets louder. One wrong move and it's game over.
It's a cane! It's a cane! It's a cane! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
They realize it's just a cane, but the shots have already been fired. And just like that, the chaos stops. 1 second of misread tension and everything changes.
Coming up for hands! I'm coming up for hands! Coming up for hands! Got a couple more. I got cups.
With the dust barely settled, officers move in. He's face down, motionless, and the cuffs click on. The chaos is over, but the questions are just beginning. From reckless shootouts to suicidal standoffs, these chases weren't just wild, they were terrifying glimpses into how far some people will go to escape the law. But no matter how fast they run or how hard they crash, the long arm of justice always catches up. Subscribe for weekly chases, bodycam footage, and high adrenaline pursuits.